Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a fillable worksheet or fillable form in Microsoft Word. The other day I was trying to fill out for Microsoft Teams and I didn't have enough options that I could find for myself that I could add in my own thinking and my own types of graphic organizers. I know they did a really good job with having forms where you can fill out quizzes, or you could upload a Microsoft Word document for them to fill things out. But I wanted to have something a little bit user-friendly for younger kids where they might just have to fill out small pieces and they aren't able to move the rest of the words around the screen. So I'm going to kind of show you one of my examples that I did, and I'll let you guys take a look. Here it is. So I created this document and it's called All About Me. We're working on character traits. And I made this form, and I'm going to show you how we can create something like this. But I made it so if I delete this and I show you, it's going to have a place where you can click or tap here to enter text. So I can enter here because this is the place I wanted it to. So I can say, oh, my name is Keisha Graham. Okay. Then how old am I? Really old. Just had a birthday, just kidding. 36, I wanted them to come over here and I wanted them to be able to fill out only their character traits and not be able to delete the number. So you see it won't even touch that. So character trait, I said, oh, I'm smart. And then over here, I wanted them to be able to give me the reason why. So I left the word because, and I have it where they can tap it here because I learn things very fast. And I am able to teach others. Okay. Then I wanted them to upload, part of the directions were to upload a photo of themselves. So this photo, I could add this. I'm going to remove it, but or I can click here and I can go to insert and I could insert any photo that I wanted, because I made this a picture box. So I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to create one of these from scratch. You're going to open up your Word document. So I have a blank one here, and I'm just going to start by going to File. I want to go all the way down to Options, and then I want to go to Customize Ribbon. Oops. In Customize Ribbon, you're going to go over here, and the only one that's probably not going to be checked is Developer. So you're going to check Developer, and then you're going to check OK. Okay, this then opens up the Developer page, which is right here up on the top of your screen. You're going to hit Developer, and then you're going to be ready to develop. So this gives you options to add those fillable forms and anything that you want. There's so many different things and you can play around with them up here, but I'm just going to show you some easy things that I think teachers could use in the classroom. So I want to insert first a table. Let's say I want to do, let's do 4. Okay, maybe up here I'm going to merge these together. Maybe I'll keep them separate. I might put the word name, okay, and I'm gonna change my font because I like that teachery font. Okay, maybe I'll have name, and then over here I want to have date, let's say. Okay. Maybe in here I want them to, let's answer a question. So I'm gonna merge these together. And I'm going to say, how old are you? Okay. Down here, maybe my question is going to say, I'll merge it again. What do you want to be when you grow up? Okay. And then down here, maybe I will merge again. And this is where I'm going to have them maybe insert a picture. Okay, so show me a picture of what you want to be. Okay, so everything's kind of set up. It's ready for me to start now adding my developing options. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to name. I'm going to click right by it. I'm going to do a space over. And this is that rich text format. So I'm going to add this. So when they use this, they can bold their text, they can italicize, they can change the size, everything. So I'm going to add that. So now when they click here, they can add that text. I'm going to go over here again. I'm going to space out. Now I want them to have a date. You can get really fancy with this. Let's say you want them to find the date like this. So you could have them scroll down and just mark the date that way, which is really cool. And that makes it easy for younger kids too, just to find that date on the calendar. How old are you? I'm going to space again. I'm going to add that font so they can add how old they are. And then what do you want to be when you grow up? I'm going to space by that, add some more. Okay, so then I'm going to come down here because now I want them to show me a picture. I'm going to space down a little bit and I'm going to go to this picture section up here and I'm going to add picture. So now this cues in that that's the space they're going to add a picture. Okay, I'm going to restrict editing and it's going to take me over to here once I'm finished where it's restricting editing. I'm going to click on the second box, which says allow me only to edit this type of editing in the document. I'm going to click on that box and then I'm going to add filling in the form. So when I fill in the form, it's only now going to let me, once I save it, so right now it can move, but once I save this, it's only going to let me move those words to enter in the spaces that I added spots for. So yes, I want to start enforcing protection. I'm going to add a password. So quick password. So that way nobody can move it. Now everything here is stuck. So I'm trying to delete this and it won't even let me delete now. So the only thing I can do is I can tap where I want to type and now I can write in my name. How old am I? Very old. And what do I want to be when I grow up? I want to be a teacher when I grow up because I love learning and teaching new things to other people. So you can keep typing. Okay, so now show me a picture. I'm just going to toggle over that and I'm going to choose from either a picture that's from a file or an online photo. So let's say, oh, teachers like apples, right? Maybe I want to add a picture of an apple just to kind of represent me being a teacher. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then you can save it. So I always do like a teacher example, and then I'll save one as a blank document, and then I can insert it now into the assignments tab for Microsoft Teams in the assignment portion. And then when you give instructions, you just tell your kids to open it in Word online. So that way they can edit it on an online app and you're good to go. So be creative, have fun. This was just a simple little task, but enjoy it. And that's really it. So good luck with creating your forms, and I hope you guys have fun with it.